Hello friends, today we'll talk about garden decor. A small space in the corner of your yard can even be transformed into an adorable garden. The corner garden that is properly constructed will be centerpiece in your house and will increase the value of the house by bringing in some more attention. You can transform the corner of your garden into a modern garden without a lot of work. It is a combination of white pebbles, sand, greenery, and the garden tiles as well. The white sand is complemented by the big stones that highlight the natural beauty of the area. On the white pebbles, plant some succulents and spiky plants for an accent of greenery. The yard can be turned into a cozy outdoor seating area if you want a versatile feature. Using upcycled pallets, this sofa has been transformed into a comfortable sitting area. It would be the best place to enjoy the summer vibe inexpensively. By stacking the stones in the corner's garden, you can create a mini waterfall that produces a soothing sound. Once you have the waterfall made, you can complement it with foliage. Also, make sure that you place some colorful flowers around the pergola for the garden to be more attractive. A playhouse can be a great addition in your corner's garden if you want to make it more versatile. It should be nice if you could install the stepping stone that leads to the playhouse. It is obvious that enjoying your leisure time with a lot of more fun and enjoyable after you install the pergola that is complemented by the cozy sofa. By attaching the swing to the giant tree, you can maximize the function of the giant tree besides producing the fresh air. Under the swing bed, you can decorate it with the white pebbles by creating a certain shape. If you want it to be a bit more eye-catching, you can place some plants as well. If you have any unused concrete blocked, you can upgrade the functionality of the pot by adapting them into the concrete blocks. Install the lights on the giant tree in the backyard. This will immediately upgrade the beauty of it. A beautiful outdoor dining area can transform your yard into a both functional and beautiful one with just a few simple steps. So this is all about today's video. I hope so you like it. So subscribe our channel and hit the like button.